Tama kayo nang nababasa dyan sa title. YouTube want us to make AI videos. Ito yung update lang about dun sa YouTube Partner Program update ni YouTube na in-upload ko noong July 7. Kung di nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo. Andito lang yan. So, in-explain natin kung ano nga ba talaga yung update na ginawa ni YouTube. Today is July 31. So, bali 16 days after nung update na July 15, 2025, we're making a minor update to our repetitious content. Content policy to better clarify, this includes content that is repetitive or mass-produced. So maraming speculations na YouTube will ban AI content videos. Pero I will prove you na hindi yun totoo. Yun yung sinabi ko sa last video ko na hindi natin talaga sure kung ano nga ba talaga yung sinasabi nilang mass-produced content. Kung tinigil nyo yung pag-upload nyo dun sa mga AI videos nyo, sayang naman. Kaya sinabi ko dun sa inyo, wag muna kayong tumigil. Continue lang kayo sa pag-upload hanggang sa malaman natin kung ano ba talaga yung tinutukoy nilang repetitious content or inauthentic content. This type of content has always been ineligible. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Noon pa man, hindi na talaga pwede yung mga ganun type of content. Nakalagay where creators are rewarded for being original and authentic content. There is no change to our nakita nyo dito. There is no change to our reuse content policy, which reviews content like commentary, clips, compilation, and reaction videos. See? Kaya wag kayo agad mag-speculate. So, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo last time. Mag-upload lang kayo na mag-upload. Let's wait kung ano ba talaga yung tinutukoy nilang repetitious content. Okay, bago ko patunayan sa inyo na gusto talaga ni YouTube na gumawa tayo ng AI videos, basahin mo natin lahat. Ito. Yan. Inauthentic content. Inauthentic content refers to mass-produced or repetitive content. This includes content that looks like it's made with a template with little to no variation across videos, or content that is easily replicable at scale. Or content that is easily replicable at scale. This policy applies to channel as a whole. In other words, if you have videos that violates our guidelines, monetization may be removed from your entire channel. Nakita niyo dito, what is allowed to monetize? This policy makes sure monetized contents offer viewers something appealing and easy and interesting to watch. In other words, if the average viewer can clearly tell that the content on your channel differs from video to video, it's fine to monetize. We know many channels create content that follow a similar pattern. Makita niyo naman, we know many channels create content that follow similar pattern. What's important is that the substance of each video should be relatively varied. So, kahit magkakamukha yung, sinabi nila, similar pattern, as long as yung substance is magkakaiba, that's fine. Example of what is allowed to monetize, including but not limited to. Okay. Same intro and outro for your videos, but bulk of your content is different. So, okay. Similar content where each video talks specifically about qualities of the subject you're featuring. Short clips of similar objects edited together where you explain how you're connected. Okay, ito tayo mas maganda dito basahin. Contents that violate these guidelines. When a channel's content consists of similar content, it can frustrate viewers who come to YouTube for appealing and interesting videos. I think ito yung mga re-uploaded videos. Kunyari, nag-upload ka na ng isang videos and then re-upload mo ulit siya. Dati kasi, gumagana yun. Nakakapag-monetize sila doon sa type of content na yun. Nakakapag-gain din sila ng views. Pero I think yun yung tinatarget ngayon ni YouTube, yung pagre-upload ng mga content. That means channels where content is only slightly different from video to video. Yun, nyari, ang ini-edit niya lang is yung first clip. Tapos, papayta lang ng ipanibagong clip. Tapos, i-re-upload ulit yung buong videos. In other words, your channel shouldn't have content that is produced using a template and repeated at scale. Example of what not allowed to monetize. Content that exclusively features readings of other materials you did not originally create, like text from website or news feeds. Songs modified to change the pitch or speed but are otherwise identical to the original song. Similar repetitive content with low educational value, commentary, narratives, or minimal variation across videos. Mass-produced content using a similar template across multiple videos. Image, slideshows, or scrolling text with minimal or non-narrative commentary or educational value. Ito na. So, sasagutin natin. Bakit ko masinabi na si YouTube ay gusto tayong gumawa ng AI videos? As you can see, after how many days, naglabas sila ng YouTube Shorts introduces new creation tools. Unlock next level shorts with new creation tools. So ano ba to? Itong video na to is yung AI tool nila. You can transform photos into videos. Bring your story to life with photo to videos, which instantly turn picture from camera roll into a video. Discover our latest creation tools in AI Playground. AI Playground is your new home for creation. See? So basically, YouTube want us to make AI content videos. Kasi sila nga nagpo-promote sila na gamitin natin yung AI video, yung AI tools nila. So yun lang guys, update lang to sa bagong YouTube policy. Congrats sa mga nawala sa akin na nagtuloy-tuloy lang sa kanilang pag-upload, consistent lang sila sa pag-upload nila. Sa mga tumigil, too bad. So bawi kayo, upload ulit kayo. Sana nalinawan kayo sa bagong YouTube update. At kung meron kayo natutunan sa video na to, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits sa ating next video.